Alright, so from exit B, we're gonna head right, going to the bus terminal over here. We're gonna walk to go to Ngau Wu Reservoir. Alright, let's go. This is the bus terminal over here. Alright, from here we're gonna cross. Okay, let's go! We're gonna head right again and follow the road over here. So we're gonna follow Shan Street now. Shan Street. Alright. Just continue following Shan Street, and when you almost reach the end, watch out, there is a path over here on the left hand side. We're gonna take this path. Okay, walk straight following this path for now. Alright, so here we are. We're gonna reach the stairs. So here we go. We have reached the Ma On Shan bypass, and from here, just go straight for now. There are some confusing ways, but go straight still. Let's go up over there. Okay, so when you reach the top of the stairs, we're gonna head right again over here. So this is it. I can follow this path again all the way. Let's go straight, and then later we're gonna turn left again. Keep going straight following Ma On Shan bypass. It's like an hour walk to go to Ngau Wu stream and reservoir. Here you go. From here, watch out. The girls went to the left side. Okay, so we're gonna follow this path over here. You know, there are some confusing ways, but we are almost at the Ngau Wu stream actually. So some people took this way, or you can take the path going up, going straight to the reservoir. So we're gonna take the one going up. Because we want to go straight or close to the Ngau Wu reservoir. Ooh, so let's go. Confusing way. Just go straight. Just stay left whenever there are confusing ways. Alright, here you are. We arrived. We arrived. You see. So we arrived here at the Ngau Wu Reservoir. So they said this is the forgotten reservoir of Ma On Shan. So there's a path beside the reservoir on the right hand side. Ganda no? It's beautiful. Alright, let's go. Mga tag team. Tag team. So we're heading back to Bukay Siya MTR station. Tara na, let's go!